What are you doing?
I'm fishing, man.
Oh, the water is damn cool, man. I didn't see any fish out there. Do you mind if I try?
Okay, I teach Kwai.
Okay, teach me. What was that?
This one. This is the birdie. And this is the birdie. And this is Kwai. This is Kwai now. This is Kwai. I show you. This is Kwai. And this is small worm.
Small worm.
Fish
You
eating.
killing worm,
Fish
not a
eating.
fish.
Yeah, fish eating. And then Bindia. You know Bindia? Put this Kwai, or put this worm in this Kwai, and then put the Bindia and this Kwai into the water. And you get deadly fish.
Huh? Deadly fish?
Yeah?
I didn't see any fish.
Okay, you fish, I fish.
Okay, give me a try, man.
Okay. Take this.
Small fish, yeah. You call deadly fish, but it's really the same. How you call deadly fish, yeah?
You know, this white.
Yes, I know.
This is the palm, and the palm is plump, and you compare. You know, compare. And this one compare, yeah. This is the fish. Eat this, eat fish.